Wait a moment. Do you really think you will live forever? Do you really believe that you still have tomorrow? Today, I'm going to tell you a truth that even your own father never told you. I am 85 years old, and I have spent half of my life standing in graveyards, leading funeral prayers. Do you know what I learned there? Every person lying under the soil today was once thinking the same thing you are thinking right now. I still have plenty of time. Long pause, silence. Music becomes deep and serious. If you died tonight, the list of your regrets would be longer than the list of your achievements. Do you really want to die with that humiliation? The obsession with success. I spent 40 years sitting behind an office desk. I believed that if I got that promotion, if I bought that car, then I would finally be successful. I watched my children while they were sleeping, and I left for work before they woke up. People say, work hard so your future will be better. I retired at the age of 60. My bank accounts were full, but my knees were no longer strong enough to climb the mountains I dreamed of climbing at the age of 25. I earned wealth, but I lost time, and time is something I can never buy back. The poison of relationships, ego, and silence. Are you angry with someone right now? Is there someone you're not calling because of your ego? Listen to me carefully. I had a brother. We didn't speak for 10 years. Over a small piece of land. I kept thinking that he would apologize first. Then one day, I received a phone call. He was gone. I was standing at his funeral, and that piece of land was still there. I wanted to apologize to him. I wanted to tell him that I loved him. But if you cannot forgive someone today, remember this. Tomorrow, you may not be alive to ask for forgiveness yourself. Your body is a house, and the rent is paid by your habits. I spent my youth on coffee and stress. I believed I was made of iron. Today, I need medication, just to climb a single staircase. Your company will replace you within 24 hours, but your family will never be able to replace you. Do not sacrifice your health for money that will later be used, only to pay hospital bills. People will not remember you by your position. They will remember you by how you made them feel. Did you help someone who was falling? Did you bring a smile to a sad face? At the age of 85, I do not remember the meetings where I earned millions. I remember the evening when I sailed paper boats in the rain with my granddaughter. That was real life. That was real wealth. Time is slipping through your fingers like sand. As soon as this video ends, turn off your phone screen. Hug the person sitting next to you, or call the one whose number you saved for later. Dying with regrets is painful. If anything I said today knocked on your heart, write just one word in the comments. Today, because tomorrow never comes. Start living before it is too late.